Hey, look at this bad boy I got Christine for Christmas. Look at that, she's over the moon. Ninja. Anyway, it's in the way. I'm going to move it out of the way a minute. So yeah. Well, anyway, I don't know how much she's over the moon about it, because she says she thinks she might leave me. She said, because any football's on in a minute. Two minutes. She said, thinking of leaving you. You just football all the time. It's football, football, football. I said, you can't do that. We've been together 13 seasons now. Anyway, so this is a quickie. This is a quick tip. Now, this is for marinating my beef. This is going in the slow cooker in that new Ninja thing tomorrow, which is a slow cooker, come air fryer, come sauteing, blah, blah, what else? Pressure cooker. So, basically get a bag. Now, you can do this even if you're going to cook it in the oven. So, decent glug of oil. No measurements required in this whatsoever. Now, this will be the base for the best gravy you've ever had. Some balsamic vinegar. Glug of that. Don't like that lid. Talking of glugs, stressful. Just had grandchild around. And Mummy and Daddy went looking for doing a house viewing. Right, and a splash of Worcester sauce. I don't tell her about that, that's a secret ingredient. Salt and pepper. Salt. And I could put some little bit of that Chinese style salt. I will do, but don't say that. Only a little bit of that. You'll never notice the difference. Now then, you get 2 OXO cubes. Two crushed garlic cloves. And then whatever fresh herbs you've got, don't matter what. Couldn't get coriander this week, so she's got chives and thyme. But we've got frozen stuff, so what I've got here is I've got some chives, chopped chives, some thyme, some basil, and some coriander. Just whap all that in. It smells fit already. Give that a good mixing up. And then get your beef out. Now this is the problem, you see, we've got for 2 people. We're cooking for 2, or I am cooking for 2. But this is big enough for about 8. So this is for tomorrow, so on Monday we'll be having roast beef for tea. On Tuesday we're probably having roast beef. Yeah, now, give that a good mix up now. Probably could have done it with a bigger bag, really. I usually use what? Do you know the ones that you get for your green bin? I usually use one of them. Because you can just turn your beef round in it. Whereas in this one, you have to do it by hand. Ooh, look at all that, lovely. Lovely jubbly. Bit messy though, like this, like I said. Oh. Give it a good shaking about. Get it all covered over, coated all over it. Right, I'll just put that in a dish so because it gets like it's all greasy because of my hands and everything. Dish, fridge till tomorrow morning until it's going in there. Now that bit, that's got a saute sort of thing on it. Normally what I'll do is in the morning I'll seal that meat in a pan on pretty high heat. Just seal it, no oil or nothing in it because it's already got oil on it. Just seal it all around the edges, put it in slow cooker. 5 hours later, absolutely gorgeous. But if you're doing that in the oven, you can still do that. So that's the Dave's quick tip for marinating his beef.